In today's video, I'll show you how to assign a task in Asana. Assigning gives every task a clear owner, one person responsible for getting it done, so nothing slips through the cracks because everyone assumed someone else had it handled. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. I'll open the task I want to assign by right-clicking it and choosing Open Task Details, which slides the full task pane open on the right. Right at the top of the pane, you'll spot the Assignee field. Since no one owns this task yet, it simply reads No Assignee. Let me click on that field to open it up. A little search box appears, along with a list of people on your team. You could scroll and pick someone, but the quickest way is to just start typing a name. Watch as I type, the list filters down instantly to match the letters I enter. Pressing Enter locks in my choice, and their avatar pops straight into the Assignee field. That person now officially owns the task. Here's why this is so powerful. The task immediately appears in that person's My Tasks list, which is the personal to-do view every Asana user has, and they get a notification too. It lands on their radar automatically, no separate message needed. And handing work off later is just as simple. Click the Assignee field again to pick someone new, or click the little X to clear the owner entirely. So to recap, open your task's details, click the Assignee field, type a name, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.